Hi guys, I'm going to show you this Canon FTb. It's a black color unit. This is the front. This is one side. This is the other side. This is the top. Serial number. This is the back. This is the bottom. Alright, so I'm gonna turn on the light meter. Okay, gonna adjust the thing. So it corresponds to the speeds. That means it works. Alright, so now I'm gonna show you the shutter speed. So this is the inside. Alright. Gonna test the speeds now. Gonna tune down the shutter speed of the digital camera. So it is 1000 speed, 500, 250, 125, like 125 I mean, 60, 30, 15, 108, quarter, half, and this is 1 second, and this is bubble. So all speeds work. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. And thank you so much everyone for dropping by. See you guys next time. Bye, God bless.